So we're actually going to be doing something very different today, but maybe not entirely different, but just slightly different from our regular kind of videos. So I think about 3 or 4 people, I can't really say right, but I think about 3 or 4 people, they reached out to me and they were asking basic things that I believe every YouTuber should know, like basic things. Imagine not knowing how to read your YouTube studio chart. You know that chart now that when you go to your YouTube studio, if you click on your videos to know the analytics, you see those dip, you see the spike, the average view duration, like a lot of things that I believe as a YouTuber, as a content creator, you should know. Especially if you're a YouTuber, maybe not as a content creator, because content creator is a very large term. You could be a content creator on TikTok, Facebook, you understand. But I'm actually talking specifically for YouTube. So when they were asking me this basic thing, I was like, wow, so you guys don't really understand these things. So I thought about it that, okay, why not just go a new route? So I decided that, okay, let me just teach it on my channel fully, because I can't be teaching this. So if anybody comes to me, I rather just, refer them to a particular video where I actually explain that. So it will be easier for us to flow and move on to other things. So that's what brought about me starting up a I almost said 30-day challenge. It's not a 30-day challenge, a 7-day challenge, because 30 days was already registered in my brain, because I'm actually doing 30-day challenge in one of my other channels. So we're actually going to be doing a 7-day challenge where I'm going to be posting one long form content and one short form content explaining the YouTube studio in full details. By the end of this particular session of 7 days, you as a creator, you as a YouTuber should be able to read and understand the YouTube studio analytics. You understand? So whenever you see the YouTube studio, you can read it yourself. You can use that to improve, because as a YouTuber, if you cannot read the YouTube studio, you might not really be able to go far in your content creation, because what are you going far for? Like, what are you actually doing when you don't know what to improve on? Because there are some things that you need to check that will actually help you do better in your next video. But if you are not seeing that, if you don't know how to check those stuff, how will you be able to do better? You will not. But once you know how to read all of those information, read all of those data, check some things, check how to make your videos, that will really guide you and help you in making better videos, in making YouTube recommend your videos and all of that. So you guys should anticipate that. I'm going to be starting that from tomorrow, our 7th day. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be a long form video. Next tomorrow is going to be a short form. Then the next day, a long form. So that's how it will be till the 7th day. Yeah, so this is just a notification and me just informing you guys way ahead. Is this way ahead? Maybe 24 hours ahead actually of what is actually going to be going on in this particular channel. If you're interested, if you're excited about it, let me know, and let me know what particular feature you would like me to talk about that you really want to know, or what particular feature in the YouTube studio are you looking forward to learn more about, so that you really want to know. Maybe you have been seeing it but you don't fully understand how to use it, or you don't understand what it means. You have been seeing something there but you don't understand. Let me know that particular thing in the comment section. Maybe I can actually start with that first, but don't worry, I'm actually going to be addressing all of it, like all of the YouTube studio, in 7 days. All right, see you again in our next video. And please, if I just found my channel for the first time, please do what to hit on the subscribe button, do what to like, and do what to share. See you guys. Bye guys.